कराची में गर्मी आ चुकी है एंड यू ऑल नो व्हाट दैट मीन्स आई बैडली नीड अ समर वार्डरोब रिफ्रेश। लेकिन उसके लिए मैं डॉल्मेन नहीं जा रही। मैंने 3 लोकेशंस चूज़ की हैं। आई एम नॉट गोना टेल यू गाइस राइट नाउ। Come with me. I'm here at the OG Zainab Market. First stop is SM Garments. Let's go see what they have in store. So we're gonna see what we find at SM Garments. लड़कियों के pieces कहाँ पर हैं? Open है? Oh, so we have to go upstairs. All right, I'm gonna watch my head. Okay, so they have some cute pajamas. I think this is linen. ये cotton है, linen है? Cotton है. This is nice. Washing wear, baby pink, powder pink. I love it. Super cute. Culottes भी हैं. I like it. I love the print. अच्छा, jeans भी हैं. These are all M&G mango. Can I place this here? And I'm gonna search for my size. This is great. And this is also for almost 4. I think this is lovely. ठीक है, Zara और Gap भी है आपके पास? और कौन कौन से ब्रांड्स हैं? ये कौन सा मटेरियल है?
Denim fabric is stretchable.
This is stretchable. So if you're going to the beach or something, this is a perfect thing to wear. $29.90 again. I think you don't even need to bargain here because the prices are so good. और ये क्या है? अच्छा, mom jeans. Guys, these people are up to trends. They have mom jeans. $29.90. Awesome. अच्छा, इसकी waist क्या है? 28. 30 होगी इसमें? ये मुझे आ जाएगी? I don't think so.
ये है ऐसा ना बेली बटन पे आता है।
अच्छा, इसको मैं निकाल के रखती हूँ। अब आप मुझे शर्ट्स की तरफ ले जाएं। Okay, what brand is this? This is some GXF Shein. तो ये किस तरह आते हैं यहाँ पर, जरा मुझे समझाएं। Import करवाते हैं, okay. अच्छा, we have this in black, we have this in white, and then we have pastels. These are perfect for summer. For all the office girlies, you guys know where to come now. SM Garments is the spot. Guys, I'm going crazy. This is amazing. इसकी price क्या है? अच्छा, this is a little pricier. This is $42.90, but it's super cute and it's very breathable, airy material है ना. Summers के लिए बिल्कुल ठीक है. कराची summers के लिए तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. US polo, nice. और ये सारा आपका cute. They have some pink in it too. $32.90. Again, इस पे 20% off भी है. Awesome. Great. How cute is this top? This floral it's giving Bridgerton. Not even lying. I love it. This is a place to shop for all the casual yet office wear stuff, and it's super reasonable, very economical. I think they have all the sizes as well, so sizing का भी कोई issue नहीं होना चाहिए. Guys, this is my Guess jean. Okay. And नहीं, मुझे कोई formal top देखनी है इसके साथ.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें।
Should I go for this? This looks super cute. अच्छा, मुझे इन दोनों की प्राइस बताएं। ये दोनों कितने के हैं?
3190 का पड़ेगा और 2390 की है।
और दोनों का क्या होगा टोटल?
टोटल हो गए तकरीबन आपके ऑलमोस्ट 5890।
तो हमारा 5000 का बजट था और 5000 में काम हो गया है। I'm at my second location, which is the Karachi Playhouse. ये इतना पुराना हो चुका है, इसका आर भी निकल चुका है, लेकिन this is one of the hidden gems in Karachi that people don't know about. ये 3 तलवार के पास ही है, and I'm really excited because my friends have told me यहाँ पर बहुत सारे brands मिलते हैं. Let's go and find some brands. So मैं पहली दुकान में घुस चुकी हूँ, and I'm just gonna search for myself. So I found one Zara. This is nice. I like it. It's a very formal top. I found another Zara. ये भी बहुत मजे की white and black stripes है with black formal pants. I see some cute crop tops over here. Like this one's from Shein, but I think it's a little too cropped for me. I will not be able to rock this in Karachi. This is also really nice, but it's too hot to wear something on top of this. So I think I'm going to pass this. Really cute Primark. Again, really small. There's another Shein cute sleeveless tops. These are all really nice. Sleeveless mini tops. This is from Topshop. This is nice. I like it. Let me see. Can you see? And I think this fits well as well. It is a US 6. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. Let's see. I'll hold on to this. एक बहुत मजे की Zara की भी है. Okay, now I like this. ये बड़े मजे की है. With a pair of jeans. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the color. It's really nice. And it says made in Turkey. So these are the shirts that I've taken for the summer season. I'm just gonna go pay for them. I am super excited. Third stop, this is another brand called Zulfisha, and now my aim is to get some formal pants and some floral shirt because I have a lot of casuals now. I do see some Jones New York jeans. I like these. The black में हैं मजे की, but I think इसकी length alter होगी. Fashion over jeans, yes. Guys, they have a lot of cute and bright colored t-shirts. And they have a lot of floral pajamas as well. I'm more interested in these jumpsuits. Yeah, this one's by Lonus, however you pronounce that brand, but it's super cute. Look at it, super chic. I love polka dots, and polka dots for summers are just a win. And these stripes as well. Maze ki baat, they're both the same colors, but like different patterns, and they're both jumpsuit, but super cute. I think I've bought too much black. I'm gonna pass on this. I'm not gonna have this. This is from Fashion Nova. I really like these Old Navy jeans. I think they're a really good color, and they're very staple to have in your wardrobe, and I think they fit fine as well. I have taken out this cute top. It's by Shein. It's really nice, but I feel like the neck is too low. This top by Shein. Polka dots again, but it's giving more of a formal vibe. So we might pick this with that Old Navy jean. I guess this is a very nice fit. What do you guys think? Can we do lunch in this? I think we can.